You are given what you want. You get your desired reality right now. What now? This is a powerful question. Please give it some time and think about it. You can pause the video, but I have to move on with the video. So you might be feeling like when you have your desired reality, your life is gonna end, or your struggle, your journey is gonna end, and there is no challenges afterwards. You're just gonna lay back and do nothing. If you feel like this, you need to see this video, because this is a big self-concept issue. If you're ready, let's get into it.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated.
Hello and welcome to your creative transformation journey. I'm your coach and host, Aslı. If you think you need some support in your transformation journey, please check out my links for one-on-one coaching. Okay, now I've got my desired reality. I have my dream car, I have my dream house, I have my dream partner, I have that loving relationship, I have manifested that money, I'm a millionaire. Alright, what now? Yeah, I do nothing, I guess. I get everything I want. What do I do? There is no right or wrong, but your answer should be something like, okay, now I'm gonna share the joy, the abundance, love, that higher frequencies with the world. I'm gonna serve, I'm gonna connect, I'm gonna do something with what I have. Why do I say this? It's to make this distinction. There are desires that we put on a pedestal that are filling a void in us, a need, that unmet needs. And there are desires coming from a place of wholeness. They are not on a pedestal, but these are intermediary. These are just tools. The distinction comes from the origin of that desire. So the desires can be coming from our ego being or from our authentic being. Why do we desire those things? If I'm desiring a car, a house, to make me feel better about myself, to make me feel more confident, have some trust, or change my worldview, after having that, I'm gonna change this whole concept of life. As we have these egotistical desires, we expect them to make us feel better about ourselves, change our self-concept beliefs. We expect them this way, so we put them on a pedestal because we are coming from a place of lack. I am unconfident, I don't trust myself, I don't think I'm worthy and lovable yet, but I will believe that I'm worthy, lovable, confident, successful when I have that car, when I have that relationship. There is an if condition, when I get it, if I get it, I'm gonna believe in myself. I will prove that I'm worthy of love, abundance, joy. And so these desires are filling that void because I'm coming from lack. And the frequency, that the reference frequency, the origin of the desire is lack. So it's gonna attract more lack if I'm chasing after that. If I'm chasing after this desired reality to feel that void, to fulfill my emotional needs, then I'm putting it on a pedestal and lowering my self-concept even more, because without it, I'm not worthy. Without it, I'm not lovable. Without it, I'm not rich, abundant. So my self-concept is even lower and lower and lower. Without it, I'm like nothing. So I expect that desired reality to manifest and make me feel good about myself. With that kind of self-concept, with that kind of frequency, that lack-based frequency, because this is basically the frequency of lack and need. So if I'm coming from this place, if I'm acting from this belief, from this frequency, what I attract is gonna be more lack, more need, more delays. And also this is a never-ending vicious cycle, because whatever I get, I can never fill that void, because it's not about what I have in the 3D, it's about what I don't have in the 4th and 5th dimensions in my inner world. If there is a void in my inner world, I can never fill that void with a possession, with a partner, with a car or house or success. I can never. So this void is gonna keep feeding that cycle. I'm gonna strive for more and more and more, but whenever I reach another level, I'm never gonna be satisfied, because I know deep inside the void is inside. The void is within me. So without filling that void first and fulfilling my own needs, I'm never going to be coming from a place of wholeness, abundance. So imagine yourself as a cup, okay? You're coming from an empty cup. By manifesting your desired reality, you expect to fill that cup, drop by drop. You expect it to be filled by the 3D reality. But if your cup is empty, you can only project that emptiness, that lack, that need to the 3D. And what you project to the 3D is going to reflect back at you. We know that. The 3D reality is just a mirror. So if you see delays, if you see lack, if your perception is catching what is not here yet, what you need in the 3D to manifest, to feel better, then you're coming from a place of lack, and we need to fix it. On the other side of the story, there's an authentic desire that is true to your nature, and it doesn't feel like filling a void or fulfilling your emotional needs, because you're coming from a place of wholeness. And what I mean by that, authentic desires are the ones that we want, no matter what the world says, no matter what the standards of the society are, no matter if you're called rich or poor, beautiful or ugly, if you have that certain relationship or not. It doesn't matter, because it's not about how you are perceived by the society. As well, it's not about making you feel better about yourself. When you want those things, you want them because it's a manifestation of your true potential. It's about how you want to actualize yourself, how you want to make impact in this world, how you want to be known by others. What feels authentic to you? What feels effortless to you? What feels so natural to you and gives you the most joy, gives you the most love, feeds your soul, gives you meaning. It's the place where you find meaning and create more meaning. So these desires are authentic to you because you don't select them based on what you see on social media or what your parents taught you or what society, the system programmed you with. You want them because only you want it. You want them because you believe, you feel that inner connection, you have that inner whisper that draws you to that desire. Those are the authentic desires. You don't want to die without trying it. It's that important to you. It's so natural to you. It's like you come to this world for this thing. Those are the authentic desires. And it's not always something that is like huge, like the story of your life. It can be as ordinary as smiling to people on the street every morning and saying good morning. It can be as simple as that. If this is what makes you feel joyful, loveful, abundant, real, and authentic, this could be your authentic desire. There is no resistance. It's not here to fill a void. So you see, you want it because it gives you joy, feeds your soul. It's an inner desire. It's a whisper. And you know there is no resistance when you're becoming the person that can have that desired reality. Transforming into that version of you is almost effortless. Almost, because it's gonna feel some sort of effort in the beginning because you're transforming your habits, your mindset. But yeah, with time, it's gonna be super easy, right? It's gonna feel natural and effortless. You have that potential within you that can create that desired reality, that can share that abundance. The desired reality or the desire is only a tool serving to your abundance, serving to your self-actualization, serving to your joy. It is serving you. It's not filling your unmet needs. It's not making you feel more about yourself, because you already feel you're meant for it. You're already coming from that place of wholeness and abundance. You already feel like, yes, I'm meant for it. I have the skills. I can develop the skills. And those desires are just, it's so natural to me. I feel like I'm worthy of it. I'm deserving. So yes, it's a journey. I'm becoming another person. I will manifest that version of me that can have that desired reality, yes. But I'm not coming from a place of lack to feel more confident, to feel more worthy, to prove my parents, friends, and teachers that I'm not the person that they claimed to be. I'm not coming from any subconscious programming. What I want only for myself. It is not on the pedestal. I am bigger than that. I am above that. It is serving me to realize myself, to unleash that potential, right? So there is this distinction between our authentic desires and egotistical desires. And as you may see, the frequency, the origin is totally different. And when we're chasing after these egotistical desires, I don't mean to say you can't have it. You can always have anything you want because you have the potential, but you might feel resistance and you might have blockages between this reality and yourself because, yeah, the subconscious programming is in between, right? Or the feelings are in between. Some low vibrational emotions are in between. But on the other side, when we are having authentic desires, there is no resistance because we love to be that person. We love being like that. We love thinking like that, acting like that. We love going to the gym. We love having a discipline. We love making money. We love serving people. We love having that partner. It's not a matter about my self-concept. I love it. I have joy because it's a tool. It's serving me to share my abundance. Maybe it's time to have a look at our desires and see if we're coming from a place of lack or wholeness. If you want to work one-on-one with me to align with your desired reality and unleash that potential within you, check out my links below. I would love to create magic with you. Love you so much. You are so loved. See you in the next video.